As we wrap up today's show on whether to move or improve, we're going to continue our look at the value of
National Weather Service in Hanford has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Mariposa County in central California, southwestern Tuloneme County in northern California until 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 5:49 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hodgman Meadow Campground, Crane Schwat Campground, and June Flat. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following county: Mariposa, California,